How to download Asphalt 9 on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download Asphalt 9 on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you will have to open up your App Store. After you open up your App Store, head over to your search bar and simply search for Asphalt 9. After you search for it, you should see the option right here. It's called Asphalt Legends Unite, and after you find it, you'll simply need to open it up. Now Asphalt 9 is known as Asphalt Legends Unite, so after you find it, simply open it up, and then you'll need to tap on the get button and then install the game. So it's really easy. Tap on get and then tap on install. After you do that, your game should start installing. It might take some time depending on your internet speed, but after it downloads, you should be able to play the game smoothly. And yeah, that is basically all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.